Hi to everyone. People are struggling from around the world to live longer, feel better, live a pain-free life in an organic, natural way. That is why ang daming herbal ngayon, daming napakagandang product in the world. Somehow, this product failed its purpose na humaba ang buhay ng mga tao. Kasi po, noong last 1931, Dr. Otto Warburg has won the Nobel Prize Award kasi na-prove niya ang reason of premature aging and death. Yun lang naman mahalaga eh. Find the problem and find a remedy, yun ang gagawin mong product. Pero since 1931, kahit nalaman na po ng buong mundo na ang reason of premature aging and death, chronic diseases and cancer is acidity, wala po silang ginawa. Ang ginawa po ng mundo is gamot, no? Mandami pong namatay, nang dapat pala talagang gawin a product that would stop, that would kill, that would suppress, neutralize, fight and kill acidity dead. Kasi po, yun ang problema, acidity. Yun lang talaga ang problema. Kaya nga, ang dami pong product ngayon na alkaline base, alkaline water, alkaline vitamin C's, ang daming purifier, making every water alkaline. Kasi po, ang belief po ng all physicians and doctors worldwide, sa medical world po, mga scientists, ang belief po, no form of disease, no single disease can live in an alkaline body. Meaning, whatever happens, you always make yourself alkaline kasi walang mabubuhay na sakit pag alkaline ang katawan natin. No? So, dapat gumawa ng product that a truly acid buster, acid killer, superb alkaline product kasi po ang reason ng premature aging and death is acidity. Now, in this era of marketing na napakaraming product, everybody is claiming to be the best product, siyempre product nila yan, dapat po, walang sales stock and sales strategy na ginagawa ang tao nowadays. Kasi po, maraming mas magagaling mag-sales stock. Let your product sell itself. Yung seeing is believing. Dapat laging to see is to believe. So gagawa po kami ng isang actual demonstration now. Actual demonstration, clinical trial. Whatever happens in this demonstration happens in real life. So talagang seeing is believing, to see is to live. Can really Synergy Vitamin C stop the root cause of premature aging and death? No? Yung acidity. Can this really mend the real problem? No, kung acidity ang reason, people are dying unconsciously, even the brightest genius doctor in the world cry for help because they don't really know the true answer to acidity. Okay, so we will show you now na meron na pong lumabas na pinakamaganda, pinakamagaling na vitamin C po sa Pilipinas. Sana po sa buong mundo, ito po ang mag-consider na isa sa pinakamagaling. Pero po, dapat makita, everything remains to be seen. Dapat makita nyo, can this really mend the root cause, the real problem, which is acidity? Will show you now. Alam nyo po, yung iba, tubig lang naman ang iniinom namin. Ba't kami nagkasakit? Mahina ang katawan namin. Siguro, walang nag-test ng tubig mo na acidic or alkaline. Ang graduation po kasi sa chemical world ng acidity po ay yellowish. Pag ginamit mo po yung pH tester, I have here with me a pH tester, a potentiality to hydrogen na ginagamit ng mga water filling station owners and engineers to test their water. Pag ang tubig po ay pinatakan nito at nag-yellow, ang graduation ng acidity is yellowish, ang alkalinity is bluish, ang damnation is acidity yellowish. Ang ating salvation is alkalinity. Kaya daming naglipa ng alkaline products, alkaline purifiers, no? Kasi po ang problema, acidity. Okay, so, ang iniinom namin tubig lang, sabi nila, ba't kaya kami nagkasakit? No, konting ulan, konting ambon may sakit. Siguro, walang nag-test kung ano ang tubig mo, alkaline or acidic. Ito po ay isa sa pinaka-famous na tubig sa Pilipinas. Pero itry natin kung acidic, not to offend anybody or not to ruin any business or affair. So, tingnan natin. To see is to believe. So, mag-yellow kaya ito, mag-blue. When it turns yellowish, it is acidic. When it turns bluish, it is alkaline or alkaline. So, anong kulay po? Acidic po sa kulay yellow. Kasi ang chemical reaction, if you remember your chemistry days, is always accurate perfect. Ang chemical reaction is the best teacher. So, hindi nyo madadaya po ito. So, acidic po siya. Ang ginagawa ng iba, acidic na may sakit, mahina na ang katawan, nagtitik sila ng leading brand. This is one of the world's famous brand. Actually, nagsimula ito sa Pilipinas. Kilalang-kilala ito sa buong mundo, not to mention the name. So, acidic po ito. Alkaline vitamin C, napakagandang vitamin C. May sakit ka, acidic ka. Ano ang gagawin ng leading brand? Anong gagawin ng leading brand? Pag acidic ka, gagawin ka ng alkaline. Gagawin ka ng alkaline or healthy. So, galing. In fairness to leading brand, bluish na po siya, healthy na po. Question. Enough ba ang leading brand to defend you, protect you, fight for you against more more acidic o substance when you actually drink some soda, no? Kaya kayang i-defend, ipagtanggol, no? Kaya nang ipaglaban, no? When a much more acidic substance or liquid comes into your body, kaya nang manatiling blue pa rin. Hindi po, acidic na po siya. No? Ibig sabihin, hindi na kinaya ng leading brand, no? Ang soda, acidic na po. Dating alkaline, dating malusog, nag-soft drinks, ayan, acidic na. Paano kung uminom uli ng leading brand na alkaline vitamin C? Kaya kayang ibalik, pagalingin ng alkaline vitamin C yung dating malusog, ng nag-soft drinks, nagkasakit. Kaya na ibalik sa bluish? Hindi. Dalawa na po. Paano kung isa pa? Wala namang overdosage ng vitamin C. O kung isa pa, kaya ka nang ibalik sa bluish, healthy state again, ng leading brand na tatlo? Kaya? Hindi po kaya. Kaya wala na pong gaanong silbi ang leading brand ngayon. So, ibig sabihin po, there's only one belief kasi that can never be changed. The belief that everything changes. Ibig sabihin, nagbabago po. Yung dating medyo magaling lang, super galing na ngayon. Yun po ang synergy ngayon. Kaya ng synergy? Well, to see is to believe. Napagalingin yung hindi kinaya ng leading brand. Soft drinks lang, may sakit na ito. Dating malusog, nung nag-soft drinks, gumaling. Kaya ng synergy? Na ibalik, pagalingin yung hindi kinaya ng tatlong leading brand? Kaya niyang mag-bluish at alkaline kagad? Kaya? Ladies and gentlemen, kaya? Alkaline na po. Ibig sabihin, hindi kaya ng leading brand, pinagaling po ng synergy. Ibig sabihin, ngayon po, pwede na mag-soft drinks kasi may synergy na. If the reason premature aging and death is through acidity, because of acidity, not anymore. Meron tayong defender, protector, savior, that's synergy vitamin C. Okay po? Paano kung may synergy ka na? May synergy vitamin C ka na? Nung gumaling ka na, healthy ka na, nag-soda, nag-soft drinks ka uli. Kaya ka bang i-defend, ipagtanggol na healthy ka pa rin, na bluish pa rin, di dilaw kaya yan? Alkaline pa rin po siya. Kahit uminom ka uli, paulit-ulit kang uminom, alkaline pa rin siya, hindi siya nagbabago, healthy pa rin. Okay? So, 1-0, yan po yung aming demo sa soft drinks. Guys, pwede na mag-soft drinks ngayon. Hindi kami nagso-soft drinks. Ang iniinom namin, yung herbal tea drink. Herbal tea drink. Ito po yung herbal tea drink na iniinom. So, tingnan natin to. Kasi ang tester ang magsasabi kung ito ay acidic o hindi. Ito yung tester. When it turns yellowish, it is acidic. When it turns bluish, it is alkaline. Naku, acidic po. Acidic po yung herbal tea drink. So, kaya ng leading brand again? Isa lang. Actually, kahit 5 o 10 ng leading brand na test na namin hindi kaya. This is the leading brand. Kaya ba niya na ibalik into healthy state again? Hindi. Kaya ng synergy nung hindi kinaya ng leading brand? No? Tulungan na natin. Kaya ng synergy kung premature aging and death is because of acidity? Kaya mag-alkaline ng synergy? Yung purong herbal tea drink, kaya mag-alkaline? Alkaline na po. No wonder, this is the best vitamin C. Guys, we want you to do the same demonstration in your home, in your house, if you want to really know, to really confirm that this demonstration is really authentic. No, you can always buy from the marketplace pH tester. Tapos gamitin niyo po itong demonstration. We want you to do the same. Okay? So, paano ko nag-herbal tea drink ulit? May synergy na. Mapoprotektahan kaya ng synergy? Yung dating acidic na gumaling at nag-alkaline na? Kaya niyang protektahan? Alkaline pa rin po siya. Ibig sabihin, no wonder, ito ang savior natin, synergy. Guys, try niyo po ito. See for yourself 3 times a day po. Pag wala kayong sakit, pag may sakit kayo, 2 in the morning, 2 in the afternoon, 2 in the evening, wala pong side effects, contraindication, ang vitamin C, sa ibang synthetic medicine drugs. Wala po. Ang vitamin C po is a daily thing. Kailangan po ito ng lahat ng tao, in all ages, all people in all walks of life, kasi po ang vitamin C is the only vitamin that the body cannot make. We cannot manufacture our own vitamin C. Ang vitamin C po is so essential na pag wala ang vitamin C, almost all vitamins and minerals from the fruit and vegetables na ini-ingest natin is useless without it. Sino may sabi nun? Si Linus Pauling po. Si Linus Pauling po, the father of vitamin C, as famous, as well-known as Albert Einstein. That is why vitamin C po is the mother of all vitamins. When you have it inside your body, according to Linus Pauling, the body will repair, will heal itself, protect and defend from all cost of diseases, even acidity, na siyang root cause of premature aging and death. 2-0. Okay. So, paano yung inumin po ng tunay na lalaki? Ito po, ang dami pong namamatay sa liquor, na po kasi this has been made addicting. Actually, pag nag-withdraw ka sa liquor drinking mo, when you want to stop, dapat gradual kasi pwede kang mamatay. Sa smoking po, pwede kang uminto agad kasi maglalaway ka sa when you withdraw, stop abruptly sa liquor drinking, pwede po kang mamatay agad kasi reliant, dependent na yung katawan, kaya nanginginig yung iba pag walang alak. Pero guys, this time, kung hindi iwasang hindi uminom dahil may okasyon, may birthday, budburan nyo lang ng 2-3 ito na synergy at ito'y magpapahaba ng alak ng buhay ninyo. Ganun po kaganda sinit. We better try it. Okay, so gaano ba ka-acidic ito? Parang tao'y mamatay sa liver problem, magkaroon ng problema sa lungs niya, magkaroon ng problema sa kidney niya, eventually mamatay ang tao. Gaano po ka-acidic ito? So tingnan natin. We better test and see now. Because seeing is believing, so whatever happens in this actual demonstration happens in real life. So tingnan natin, tester, pag nag-yellow is acidic, pag nag-blue alkaline, anong kulay? It's acidic. Acidic pala ang alak. No wonder, mamamatay nga ang mga tao. Mamamatay nga ang mga tao kasi acidic po siya. Kung hindi may iwasang hindi uminom, dahil kumpare, binyag or may okasyon, budburan nyo lang po ng synergy yung inyong alak at magpapahaba na ito ng buhay ng lahat ng manginginom. Yung yung acidity, kulay yellow na harmful, gagawin niya pong alkaline, healthy po. Pag meron na po kayong synergy alkaline na safe na, pwede na kayong uminom ngayon, mamaya, bukas, sa susunod na linggo, sa 1 buwan, 1 taon, buong buhay mo ay pwede kang uminom na safe ka at hahaba ang buhay mo with synergy vitamin C. Okay? So, 3-0 alkaline. So, ito po isa sa pinaka-grandest demonstration namin. So, sabi siya, pwede pa ba paabot ako ng ating alkaline water? Okay. So, ito po pinaka-grandest demo natin. What if alkaline ka, healthy ka? Healthy ka. Pupunta ka sa isang hospital na puro COVID patient. COVID patients, no? Sa isang ward. So, ibig sabihin, kailangan mag-take ka ng maraming vitamin C. This water is alkaline water. Alkaline po ito, no? Paano natin malalamang alkaline water ito? Kasi may tester. May tester po. Ito po yung tester. Pag nag-blue is alkaline, pag nag-yellow is acidic. Anong kulay po niya? Naku, super bang alkalinity. Napakaganda po pala nito. Ngayon, dagdagan pa natin ng leading brand kung pupunta ka sa ward ng ospital ng mga may COVID-19, may TB, merong hepatitis, may ketong. Dalawa gawin natin. May ketong, may syphilis, may AIDS, no? May TB, ubo ng ubo, no? So, super strong ka na. What if may isang matinding virus or bacteria na pumasok sa katawan mo? This is muriatic acid now. This is 1,000 times more acidic than soft drinks. Ito na siguro yung cancer, yung death, nakakalaso, nakamamatay, nag-3rd degree burn. Grabe po ito. Huwag niyong hawakan po ito, ano? Patak-patak lang ang demo. Okay, what if healthy ka, may kausap ka, na kaibigan mo na COVID-19, may TB, o may matinding sakit, may ketong siguro, o hepatitis. Just a single drop. Yun. Kaso loaded ka na ng vitamin C na alkaline. Kaya ba niyang i-defend nung leading brand in alkaline water? Yung pumasok na matinding bacteria or acidity? Hindi niya kaya. Hindi niya kaya. Actually, kahit 100 capsules ng leading brand or any form of vitamin C na test na namin, hindi po kaya. Kaya ng synergy. Although, nagpapagaling ang Panginoong Diyos. Yung may cancer, yung dying, na matindi na ang gout, na bukol-bukol na, o matindi na ang cancer, may taning na. Well, kaya ng Panginoong Diyos na pagalingin na pamamagitan ng vitamin C ito. Ilang capsules kaya yung muriatic acid na nakalalason, nakasusunog, nakamamatay? Ilang capsules kaya ng synergy? We better try. So synergy yan. Okay, kaya ng isang capsule lang na gumaling, mag-alkaline, mag-bluish yung may cancer o may sakit? Kaya mag-alkaline? Alkaline na po. Healthy na po. Gumaling na po. Guys, try nyo po ito. Na ito po yung isa sa pinaka-biggest breakthrough sa vitamin industry. Naku, yung may mga acid reflux, may GERD, yung may mga peptic bleeding ulcer, kasi po ang acidity po talagang yung talagang root cause of it all eh. Try nyo po ito at parang magic. Wala na po kayong kahirap-hirap, maginhawa na, magandang pagtulog nyo, and lahat ng nutrients from synergy po ay matatanggap ng katawan. Tuluyan kayong gagaling. This is the only product now actually that would allow everybody na makakainom nito to live longer, feel better, live a pain-free life. Share niyo po itong demo ito. You can actually do the same demonstration just like what I'm doing. Okay, may synergy na. Meron ulit pumasok na matinding acidity or bacteria. Kaya bang i-defend ng synergy na bluish pa rin ito? Kaya na, na healthy pa rin siya? Okay, isang drop. Alkaline pa rin po siya. Another drop. alkaline pa rin po siya. Ibig sabihin, it is really indeed the best vitamin C, acid killer, acid buster. No? If ang reason premature aging and death is acidity through acidity, because Dr. Otto Warburg has won the Nobel Prize, talagang yun ang may kasalanan. Hindi na po ngayon. Meron tayong defender, meron tayong protector, it is synergy. Okay, kung confident ka na ito ay acid tamer, acid killer and acid buster, ito na ang sagot sa lahat ng problema natin, sa lahat ng sakit ng tao. Mahahawakan natin ito na hindi ka kinakabang masusunog ka o malalason ka, guys. So hinawakan ko. Hinawakan ko yung may muriatic acid. You can actually paste it in your skin. Kahit sa mukha ay pwede mong ilagay na hindi ka nasusunog at hindi ka kinakabahan na malalaplos o malalason ng iyong katawan. Guys, best vitamin C in the world is here. Thank you.